Hello and welcome to One-on-One TV, the #1 channel for latest news and celebrities gossip. Many of you already know Grand P. Few years ago, he was a complete stranger, and today he's an international superstar traveling all over the world. Born into a rich family, Grand P, whose real name is Moussa Sandiana Kaba, went through a terrible childhood. People were mocking him all the time because of his physical condition. But the mockery didn't stop him from pursuing his dreams. He turned it into a motivation. Grand P says he doesn't know his age. It was his mom that knew the year in which he was born, but sadly she died a few years ago. However, sources close to his family says he's over 30 years old and is actually suffering from progeria, a disease that's preventing him from growing up. Unfortunately, there is no cure or treatment for this rare disease, and Grand P explained how during the early days of his career he faced countless health challenges but never gave up. The musician narrated how his breakthrough came during Kafela Kante's concert. Grand P, who was then an upcoming artist, was invited to perform, and it was then that his magic caught the public's attention and he quickly became an internet sensation. His music became viral and made it from Guinea to Cote d'Ivoire, Mali and every other francophone country. Many celebrities like Manchester United's Paul Pogba and musician DJ Arafat got closer to him, and he even featured in Mali superstar Sidiki Diabete's song. He was invited to many TV shows, football events, concerts all over the world. And as you know, fame always comes with women. Grand P quickly became the ladies' favorite. But surprisingly, even though many beautiful women in Guinea were dying for him, it is in Cote d'Ivoire that he found love. A very big love. He recently got engaged to popular socialite Eudoxie Yao, and he was seen bragging about getting her pregnant as soon as possible. Just by looking at the kind of women he goes after, you can tell Grand P likes big things. He dreams big. He recently shocked everyone in Guinea when he announced that he intends to contest in the 2020 presidential elections in Guinea.
Bonjour, je suis Grand P, l'ambassadeur. Je me présente à la présidentielle 2020. Écoutez-moi, je vais venir en proche. Voilà. Je suis à Karaki. Je vais me présenter. Grand P, écoutez Grand P, hein? C'est ce que je vous dis.
We wish Grand P good luck in his presidential bid, and we will keep you informed of every stage in his campaign. Subscribe to our channel One-on-One TV to receive notifications when we upload new videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.